everybody! I'm so excited to tell you what we have planned for today. It's Easter, one of my favorite holidays. We're meeting some friends at the park for a picnic and an Easter egg hunt. Would you like to join us? Oh, I'm so happy you can come. But we have quite a lot to do before we can go. We have to dye our Easter eggs, make cupcakes, pack up the picnic basket, and fill the Easter eggs. We better get started. I think everything is ready to color our Easter eggs. Here are the eggs, and here are the bowls. We have to add the water. Now we add some vinegar. Now we add a few drops of food coloring. Now we have our spoons to dip our eggs into the food coloring. And we have a tray lined with paper towels so that they can dry. Rosie, do you want to come color Easter eggs? Oh, yay! I love to color Easter eggs. It makes them look so pretty, just like candy. Okay, I do the first one, please. Let's do pink. Take the egg, put it in the spoon. Carefully put it into the color. Spin it around like this. Oh look, a pink egg. Now I take it out and put it onto the towel to dry. Wow, Rosie, you did so good and you did it all by yourself. Let's do a green one. Put the egg in. Swirl around. Oh look, a green egg. Now we'll put it on the towel to dry. Okay, I'll do a blue one now. Oops, I dropped it on the floor. I need to clean it up. Let's do a yellow egg. Wow, that looks like a golden egg. Rosie, I wonder what the Easter Bunny will bring you this year. Maybe some candy and toys? Easter Bunny? I don't believe in the Easter Bunny anymore. I'm a big girl now. The Easter Bunny is just a person that wears a bunny suit. That's not true, Rosie. You better hope that the Easter Bunny doesn't hear you or you'll hurt her feelings. She may not bring you any candy. You don't still believe in the Easter Bunny, do you, Barbie? Of course I do. And I'm quite a bit older than you. I look forward to the Easter Bunny every year. I thought she was real. Poppy at school told me she wasn't. Well, you'll see Poppy at the Easter egg hunt today, and you tell her that you know the truth. The Easter Bunny is real. Well, I'm so glad. I was so upset to think she wasn't real. I love the Easter Bunny. Let me get this all cleaned up and you can help me bake cupcakes. This is a really super easy recipe. Just add this cake mix to the mixer. Add 1 cup of milk. Add the cup of milk to the mixer. Turn on the mixer and mix. And that's all for the Here, Rosie, here's a spoon. Just put 1 scoop into each section of the muffin pan.
Okay, all finished.
You are such a good little helper, Rosie.
Yeah, I'm really good in the kitchen. I like to cook a lot.
I stopped at the bakery and picked up some colorful pre-made frosting to save a little time. Just look at these gorgeous colors.
I can't wait to decorate.
I also bought a few really special decorated cupcakes at the bakery for after we get home. Do you want to see them, Rosie?
Oh, yes, please.
Here they are. Which is your favorite?
I like the one with the dolly on it.
Then that will be your special Easter cupcake. Oh, the cupcakes are ready. Let's decorate. Oh, look at how pretty this frosting is.
The colors are so pretty.
Just as pretty as the ones in the bakery.
Yeah, and we made them all by ourselves.
Now I just need to pack up the cooler with our lunch. I already made some sandwiches. I'll put these in a Ziploc bag. Now I'll put some fruit and veggies in these Tupperware bowls to keep them fresh. I have some guacamole and some fresh tomatoes. And here is some salad dressing for the veggies. Now, I'll grab some drinks. Here are the drinks. I put the plates and cups in this basket. Oh, and the Easter eggs. We can't forget the Easter eggs. We'll put those in this basket. All right, and one last thing. I have to fill the Easter eggs. I don't want Rosie to see all of the surprises. The kids will love to find these in the Easter egg hunt. Let's fill them up. Just look at all these cute little toys I found to put in the Easter eggs. Let's finish filling them up. Okay, I have to get everything loaded up into the car. It's time to go. Rosie, are you ready to go? The car's all packed.
I'm all ready. I'm taking my Easter purse and I'm wearing my Easter bonnet. I also am bringing these bunny ears for all of my friends at the Easter egg hunt.
Aw, you look so pretty, Rosie. Now, let's go to the park and have fun.